Welcome back to DeezyVision. I am here in Orlando, Florida. Now, this particular trip isn't a theme park or attraction visit trip. Just been up here with family, just hanging out and enjoying myself. But I'm staying at a hotel that I've never stayed at before here in Orlando. So let's take a look around. I want to show you around this hotel that I'm staying at, and just give you a little tour and show you what it's all about. So if you're ready, come on, let's go. All right, we're going to take this elevator and go down to the first floor. Take a look around down there. Okay, so where the elevator dropped me off just now, if you look outside this door, you will see the pool area. I'm not going to go out there by the pool with the camera because people are in the pool right now enjoying themselves. And then over here you see the area next to the pool where you can come and sit down, and I guess you're having lunch or anything, you can come and bring your lunch, your drinks, your snacks, your chair, and just sit outside and enjoy the fresh air. Okay, right here is the eating area. This place does offer breakfast in the morning, and so this will be the area here where you will come and get your breakfast. You can see the drink stations over there and some other food stations in this area over here. And then they have a bar set up here. I don't know if this is open as yet, but this will probably be open a little later on in the day. And then right next to it is the reception area where you come and you check in. And I just ran into the sign right here. It gives information on breakfast. It gives the hours of operation on Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And it even lets you know like the times that the place is full and not so full. I like that. So it gives you an idea of what time you can come down and not meet a crowd down here. And right next to reception is like a commons area. You can come here to this cooler, get your beers, get your ice cream, your sodas, juices. And then here you can see they have like the snacks, like the cookies, the chips, all that good stuff. And then over here you can get your your frozen food stuff. And, you got your spaghetti and mac and cheese and noodles and stuff like that. And then these essentials here, like the toothbrush, toothpaste, hydration, something for hydration, your deodorants, chapstick, all that good stuff, the essentials. Your umbrella, it rains a lot here in Florida. Yeah. All right, so this hotel here, this is the Springhill Suites by Marriott Bonvoy. This is building number 1 that we are in here. There's another building on that side over there. And crazy enough, this is now the second hotel that I've stayed in since I've been here in Orlando, in Florida. And the first one was a place called Sheraton Vistana. That was in Lake Buena Vista, and it was closer to Disney Gates. And now I'm in my second hotel and final hotel for my stay here in Orlando. And right across the street there, SeaWorld. You can see one of the roller coasters straight ahead there. And in intervals, you see the people, the roller coaster going up and people screaming and enjoying themselves. But this is not that kind of trip for me. My next visit, I'll be hitting the theme parks again. Over here, you got a nice little lake situation. A little waterfall in the middle there. Nice little touch. Okay, right here, as I scale up the building, you'll see the name of the building right there. Springhill Suites by Marriott. I missed the loop when that roller coaster was doing the loop just now and people were on there screaming. But right next door or across the street from the hotel, you have a Buffalo Wild Wings. There are actually a few places here to eat that are close by in walking distance. But for right now, I'll just stick to those that, I can get the closest to on foot. Okay, so the Buffalo Wild Wings I showed you is right here. And I showed you that it's straight across from the hotel where I'm staying, which is across there. And right next to the Buffalo Wild Wings, across here, You got a TGI Fridays. And so this is another popular food chain that's close by. So if you're going to be staying at this particular Spring Hill, you know, you have a few food options that you won't have to jump in the car and drive to or take a taxi or Uber. You can just take a 2-minute walk across the street and, you know, you can take your pick of where you want to eat. Here's a little closer view of SeaWorld, the roller coasters you can see. This particular roller coaster doing its loops right now. I haven't ridden one of these things in a while, since like 2015. Looks like I'm gonna have to head in pretty soon because looks like some rain's coming. And as you know, here in Florida, it rains a lot, so this ain't a surprise. Also located conveniently close to the Springhill Suites here on International Drive is a CVS pharmacy. So, you know, you need any of your medical needs, you got to get your prescription medicine, your drugs, prescription drugs. Of course, you know, they sell other things in there like toiletries and stuff like that. So this is in very, very close walking distance to the hotel also. There you get a view of I Drive. Got a tiny bit of traffic gathered up right here. I think a light is right there. So taking a walk down this hallway. This is on the opposite end of where we came off of the elevator. Actually, we walked this way when we first came here. Yeah, you have a information screen. Give us some information. Actually, I just spoke to one of the representatives for the resort before I jump back on camera. 1 minute. Okay, so they also actually have a room here where you can like do your meetings and your conferences and stuff like that, called the Dolphin Room. More further down this way. And right here you have the elevators. There's a pain in there. I haven't walked this way. I think that this may be the direction in which the rooms for this first floor may be. Not too sure. And here's the other entrance for the Dolphin Room that I showed you earlier. So this may be, yes. So this definitely is the hallway where some of the first floor rooms are. So I don't think there'll be anything much to see down here other than people's room doors. Okay, so I found the exercise room / gym. I didn't see anybody in here, so I decided to walk in and take a look around. Classic gym. Maybe exercise equipment, or your weighted equipment, stuff like that. That's what that is. And you have your barbell assortment here. And of course, some treadmills. Nothing big, but you know, you could get something in, get some exercise done while you're here, if that's a part of your daily, all the time routine. You know, they got you covered. It isn't big, but it'll get the job done. Got your exercise bike, your towels, got your wipes, you can wipe down the machines, you can get yourself some water, more barbells here, exercise balls. Nice little exercise room. So I spoke with one of the representatives inside of the hotel. He's one of the representatives that actually, you know, sells the memberships for Marriott. And of course, Springhill Suites comes under the Marriott brand. And so, you know, he was giving me a little insight onto, you know, the kind of, I guess, deals that you can get into, you know, even if you decide not to become a member. You can come and you can see one of the representatives at the desk and get information on actually becoming a member, they do the whole, you know, that whole thing where they, I'm trying to find the right word to use for it, where they'll talk to you and explain to you the perks of membership, what all it entails. And if you come and you do that, that whole presentation thing that they do, they'll give you a $200 gift card. And they're also offering a, I guess, somewhat of a initiative where they would let you stay at the Sheraton Vistana, which is where I stayed on the first part of this trip. The Sheraton Vistana, you can stay there for $299, and that'll cover about a 3 to 4 day stay. You know, just as a little incentive to, you know, show you, you know, the perks and, you know, what it would be like to stay at their Sheraton Vistana Resort, and to get you to, you know, kind of buy into membership. And for some of you, you may like it. For some of you, you may not. But, you know, if you come and stay here at this Springhill Suites here on International Drive, across from SeaWorld, that is something that you can sign up for. You're going to see the information desk as you come through the front entrance to your right. You're going to see that. They also, I asked him about shuttle service from here to like the parks and stuff like that. He did tell me that you can take a shuttle from here at Springhill Suites across the street to SeaWorld, to Aquatica. You can also get a shuttle to Universal Studios, he told me. You can also get a shuttle to go to like any of the Disney parks, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and stuff like that. So those are some of the perks of staying here. Those are some of the things you can get into whilst you stay here at the Springhill Suites. And of course, you know, Orlando, Kissimmee, a heavy tourist area, and so you're going to see a lot of things like that. Also, I think you can get tickets here to the parks too, and at that Sheraton Vistana where I stayed earlier this week. If you go to one of my latest YouTube shorts, you'll see a little, I show a little glimpse of the Sheraton Vistana property. So I just thought I'd insert that here in the video. Okay, I'm staying here in room 1437. Okay, so before I end today's video, I want to give you guys a look at the room that we are in for today. Let's say we have, well, this is the front entrance, front door. You got a desk there, that's full of stuff. And then we have this chair that you can sit in. It also is a pull-out bed. This room, yeah. I need to explore this room some more and cut on more lights. So my apologies. And then of course we have twin beds, television here. This is the stand the television is on. And then here we have the bathroom. We have the toilet there. This is a handicap room. And so, you know, you have that bar there to hold on to. And then right here you have the sink, or basin, or whatever you want to call that. And one thing I like about this room is that you have this here that has a sink or basin. This is just a separate room right here for the toilet. But if you come down to the next part, this here is a separate room for the tub. Where's that light? Okay, you also have the sink here. You got your towels. Then you have the step-in tub. And like I said, this room is handicap accessible. And so, I don't know why they gave us this room. And of course you have the bar that you can hold on to. This here is one of those benches that fold out. So like if the person can't stand or stand too long, they can sit down, take the shower. So the shower head will come off. And then you have your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So the air conditioning here is more of a ductless or not a central air system. And this right here is our view outside.